Hey guys, this is Joe Hurst-Wajszczuk for Woodcraft magazine. In this issue, the magazine reviewed the Quiet Flow Air Compressor by California Air Tools. This is a remarkable new compressor that's a whole lot quieter than anything you're used to. Now, seeing it is one thing, but in order to appreciate the difference, you need to hear the difference. So what I'd like you to do is to set your speaker or your earphones so that this sounds like normal speech. In a second, we'll put this on. Are you ready? Get set. Let's test the tool. Hear what I mean? Hearing is believing. To check out this tool, go to your local Woodcraft store today. Thanks for watching.